this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing the ElectroMotion IC for MartinLogan. We also unboxed the IWs if you're looking for an in-wall solution. Let's take a look inside. This is the box. MartinLogan is a great manufacturer, probably one of my favorites. Really produce a really great, well-built product. They include a cutout template with this speaker, as well as the manual and extended warranty information here, and a little magnet to advertise the type of speaker this is, since it's in wall. That's optional. You don't have to put that on there. But this is the magnetic grill that you would attach the magnet to. Really nice, heavy duty. And then the speaker itself. So one cool thing about this IC that I like is the fact that it does have an adjustment basically built in. It kind of has a pitch to it, so you can aim your tweeter and your woofer towards your target seating area. Let me show you. I'm gonna give you some more light. This is the speaker. And this is a folded motion tweeter. This is really what they're known for in the Motion series. Creates incredible clarity in your dialogue. That's a really well-built high-frequency tweeter. And then it has this woofer up behind it. And you can see just all the way around the product, it's extremely well-built, solid engineering. They really didn't cheap out. Spring-loaded. Your adjustments to secure this to the sheetrock. So basically these just pop out and clamp down. Nice big magnet here on the back. Coil. It's a great speaker. I'm going to be using this for Dolby Atmos today. This is just the unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. We're also going to install the product and do a full video of this complete installation. So make sure to subscribe so that you can see that video when we release it. We do sell all MartinLogan equipment as well as a bunch of other manufacturers. So if you guys would like to purchase this product, make sure to give us a call, shoot us an email or text. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. And if you live in Dallas, we can do the installation for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.